hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to be dealing with the data type int, which stands for integer. So for today we are going to be initializing and declaring. So let's write a comment there since we want to be declaring. So let's first write declaration of an integer. Then underneath it, so declaring, since we are dealing with integers, you do not write the full name of integer. You don't write this. You don't say integer. No, you write short version int, then your space, then assignment operator. So sorry, you don't write an assignment you don't write the assignment operator. So we say int, then we give it a what? We write our values there. So let's say that we only have num. So this num right now, what we just did, we declared the num1 as an integer, meaning that, so now we have to also use these ones, semicolons, to close. Understand me? So yep, we just declared there. That is what we call declaring. So I know you see this red line underneath, meaning that there's something. It doesn't mean that there's an error. It is only saying that, oh, you have declared something, but it has not been assigned to anything. It has not been initialized. So now let's initialize. Initializing, or let's just say initialize to simplify things. So it's giving me a red because I need to write this, since this is a comment. So to initialize, we already have our num1 up there, right? Here we have our num1. So we need to give this num1, or to assign a value underneath this num1. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to say num1 space assignment operator. Then let's just say that since we are dealing with integers, you're gonna say 20, then semicolon, closing it. And that's how you do it. Understand me? So that's how you declare an integer and you initialize your integer. That is how it is. So you can be able, so we can initialize in multiple ways. You understand me? So you can initialize in this manner. So let me wrap this. So, or you can initialize in this manner. You can initialize all of them at the same time, or maybe you can just say this. You just say int num1, then space space equals to, then you're just gonna say 20, then you close it. So you can be able to initialize this thing in the same line, just like that. You see, you just initialize everything. Or maybe you want to initialize multiple values, just like that, space, then let's go and add num2, then also num3, then semicolon. When you come underneath, we're just gonna say what we have to assign these nums, num1, num2, num3, num4. We have to assign values to them. So let's say that this one is what is that, this one num2 is 20, then num3 is 30. Then like that, we close everything, then we save. And that is how you can be able to initialize using integers.